Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and do not turn from this channel. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Today on the chopper block, I'm going to be making you guys one of the best delicious recipe ever. And it's going to be called old-fashioned baked beans. Alright, so let me show you the ingredients that we're going to be needing. We got some chipotle, chili pepper. We got some granulated garlic. We have some granulated onion powder. We have some smoked paprika. Oh, nope, that's chili, my bad. This is some homemade barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce you want. That's my homemade one. This right here is some liquid hickory smoke. You're going to need some mustard. Any kind of mustard. I don't know why people get hung up on different type of mustard, but that's what they do. Some people just don't like to do that. So anyway, this is some regular ketchup. I mean, I use any type of stuff. So that's what I do. Here we have some cinnamon. We have some brown sugar. That's what's in there. And I have some bacon crumbles right here. Alright. Followed by a red onion or white onion, or you don't have to use no onion. In this recipe is called for a red onion, okay? I'm not going to use any onion in mine because I can't eat it all by myself. So, and a lot of people don't like onions in my family. So I have a green bell pepper and a red bell pepper, and I probably use half of this red one and the whole green one. Alright, so let's jump into it. Here's my baked beans right here. These are Bush baked beans. You can use any kind of baked bean you want to. Don't get it twisted. So this ingredient is gonna be off the chart. Okay, so let me open up these baked beans. I already used the can opener for that. I'm just going to pour it in here. Just like so. So there's 2 cans of those. This is 20 ounces. 1 pound and 12 ounces can. So you're going to need 2 of those, or many as you want to make. I don't know how much you want to make, but this is how much I'm going to make. Alright? Not trying to be funny or nothing. But here's the baked beans. Let me get a spoon. Alright, so mix this up like so. First thing I want to do is come with my seasoning. Alright, chili powder, we're going to go with teaspoon of that. The onion, we're going to go with a tablespoon. Because I'm not going to use that onion, right? And I want some onion flavors in there. Alright, we're going to go with half a teaspoon of the garlic. Now this grounded up chipotle, I'm going to go with half a teaspoon of that. I never tried this in this recipe. Alright, what's the cinnamon? We're going to go with a teaspoon of that. Alright. Alright, let me get my brown sugar. So I don't like mine extremely sweet, so I don't put a lot in mine. If you like yours sweet, you can put a little bit more or whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and put me some brown sugar in here. Just kind of lumpy a little bit. Oops, see? I'm going to get this piece out of here. It's probably not going to be like a tablespoon and a half. So it's a tablespoon and a teaspoon. So I'm just trying to break this up some. And it's a good thing that I washed off my table, because I'm going to get that little piece that fell over there. So, and don't worry about it if it's kind of lumpy or whatever. It's going to melt down. I assure you that. So roughly about, I'd say about a tablespoon and a half of this. Alright. Now I'm going to come in with some mustard. Like a tablespoon of that. Alright. Then we're going to come in with some ketchup. Like 2 tablespoons of that. Alright. Now, barbecue sauce. That smells good. We're going to come in like about half a cup of that. Liquid smoke. 1 teaspoon. Let me see. About a teaspoon. I'm just going to mix this up for now. Yes, Lord. Alright. So I'm going to sit this down here for a second. Then I'm going to come in with the bell peppers. Use a half of this. Right. Take that out. Ooh. Should be bending like that. That hurts. Yeah, sure do. You guys pray for me because I'm going to have to go under the knife. Yep. I have a, what they call sciatic joint problem. So I'm going to have to get that fixed. So guys, please pray for me. Hopefully that I can come out alive. They say it's not that serious of a deal, but anytime you go under the knife, it's kind of serious to me. Alright, we just put that to the side. And you know how we do this. We just go like this. Just like that. Remember I told you about this hook? Just put it flat down like this. And then come on, cut it in. Cut it like that. See that? And then we just... Alright. Okay. So we're going to put that in the kitty. Just like so. And yeah, guys, if you eat onions, put the onions in yours, okay? Please do. I have to suffer up in my kitchen. People don't eat onions in my family like that, so they're very picky, and I don't want to be eating this stuff, like I said, by myself. That's that one. Here's the green one. Step over here for a second. Alright, put these in there. Let's throw those in there quickly. Alright. So a little bit under half. I mean a whole. Okay. Also, you're going to need that I didn't tell you because I'm doing 2 videos. Okay. At the end, I'm going to put like some rib in here. Along with the bacon, of course. I'm going to have to taste this in a minute. Looks like I need some black pepper. Just a little bit. Put like, see, that's about like a half a cup right there. I did want to use some ground beef, but I said, nah, I ain't going to do the ground beef. Not today. I think I already did one. Or if I didn't, I will do one for you guys. I have to look back at it. I got a whole bunch of videos. I believe this is the second baked bean I did. So, yeah. So I want to taste this too. Oh, yeah. That's it. See, that's why I say you gotta be careful with the chipotle. But that's that. Alright, guys? We're gonna put this in the oven, uncovered, and let that cook and cook and cook till it gets done. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. These baked beans. Just chop up some of this rib. Like that. Just gonna throw these up in there. Just like that. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to post some up in there. Just like that. Just to give that meat a little bit extra flavor. Then we just going to stir this up in there. So they get a little pieces of chunks of rib. And that is it for this. So you ain't got to cook this no more. This is it. Let me move this out the way. And wrap this up. Give you guys a piece of this. There you go. Gotta get that piece right there. There you go. Alright guys. I'm gonna taste it. Oh Lord have mercy. If you can taste that. Oh my goodness. I should have called this slap your mama baked beans. That's what I should have called it. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. And this is off the chain. I can't wait till this stuff to get all the way down. Slide this back over here. You already know what that is. Alright. Alright guys. That's it with these baked beans. I hope you guys give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And please, that's right, hit that bell so you too could be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Much love to all of you guys. Enjoy yourself. In a minute.